Here we have a 3D printed 1 13/16 box end wrench, and we're going to see how strong it is. So since I don't have a torque wrench, I have a bar. This is PVC, and the lever is at 1 foot, so whatever weight I put on the end is going to be foot-pounds. Very straightforward. So I'm going to start with 10 pounds. There we have 10 foot-pounds. I have another 5-pound weight. That'll give us 15 foot-pounds. We have 15 foot-pounds. Can we go to 20? Here's another 5-pound weight. It's going to be a little tough putting it on. See what we can do. "20 foot-pounds? Is it going to hold?" We have 20 foot-pounds. I don't know if I want to go any further. That's pretty good. I don't know if this PVC is going to handle it. It's starting to bow. So let's see if we can go to some metal. Too tight. All right, we're in business. 12 inches. All right. Well, we started with 20 pounds. Let's go to 25. 25 pounds. We have 25 foot-pounds. Okay, no counter torque, but it's unbroken. Still works. Now I have to get it out. We'll use a different one. So there you have it. I didn't break it, but it handles 25 foot-pounds of torque. More than enough for what we're doing. Enjoy.